Yo, guys, how's it going? Good to see you. Jamie's here. Welcome, Jamie, man. Good to see you, man. Yeah, we're back after the bank holiday. Welcome, all. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, let's see who's here, guys. Drop a comment. Drop a comment. Make sure you're dropping a like on the video as well. Good to see you all. Hope you're all good. I'll start breaking the markets down in a second. But yeah, great to see you all. Yeah, welcome everyone, welcome. RIP, yeah. I wouldn't be selling this until it gave clear signals. I'm actually potentially liking some 15-minute buys off this level. If we can close bullish, I'm actually liking maybe some little buys off this level, depending on how we close. I'm going to have to wait for this 15 to close, though. If this 15 can close bullish, maybe a little bottom wick to push higher, to fill this range up here, just to then continue ranging. Because every time we've come into this level, we've sort of like pushed away, look. Rejected, pushed away. Rejected, pushed away. Rejected, pushed away. Like, if this 15 can close bullish, maybe a little bottom wick to continue pushing. But we will see how we close. Yo, yeah, good to see you all, guys. Welcome. ES? Yo, welcome. ES, is it ES from TikTok? ESAS25. Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. Good to see you all, guys. Welcome. Let's see who's here on TikTok. Drop a comment. Welcome. Yeah, nice. Good to see you, man. I dropped you a message on TikTok. You never replied to me. JK, yes, Joe, how are we? I'm good, man. I'm good. Can I fund you with the 100? Unfortunately not, mate. Unfortunately not. Yeah, I'm watching this range here. Simple range, really. It's like a 15 and 30-minute range. This is gold, mate. This is gold. So there's a couple of things that I'm going to be looking for here. Maybe a closure below for sells. If not, and we get a rejection, I'll start looking for buys on this at this level. Nasdaq is breaking out, but we've really got no targets. There's no real liquidity to trade into on Nas. So yeah, Nas is a waiting game for me. Main thing for me is watching gold here, see how it reacts from these levels. Yeah, if we do sweep that liquidity to the downside, that would be nice. I wouldn't mind gold to actually push down and sweep these lows and then push higher. That would be clean if we did close back above this level then. But it's not necessary. I just need to see something. I just need to see something to either buy or sell from these levels. That's the key. I mean, you can clearly see that we're failing to close around this level. We're failing to close, we're reacting and we're pushing away. So the main thing is to see how we react, see what price does, and then, yeah, go from there. Other than that, Nasdaq's in the middle of nowhere. Nasdaq's just pulling back, really. I need some sort of I need some range to form, some liquidity. Maybe someone different. Yeah, it might be someone different, actually. Yeah. Yo, Deegs, how's it going, man? Welcome, bro. Welcome. Can I predict the price for tomorrow? No, I don't predict the price on the daily. It's really pointless trying to predict what the next days are going to do. I used to be that guy to try and predict the week, and it's just crazy. Like, nobody knows. The market can change after one news release. The market can change after one day, which sweeps loads of liquidity. It changes day on day. Bro, would that be a double top? Yeah, it would be. It wouldn't be like a clean double top, but it would be liquidity that hasn't been taken. I mean, there's liquidity up here that hasn't been taken, yeah. You are right by saying that. Can you help to use MT5? If you want to know how to use MT5, just search on YouTube how to use MT5. There's like probably like 1,000 videos on how to use MT5. I can predict the Euro Millions, yeah. Which broker am I using? Drop me a message, I'll send you the name. But like I said, there's loads of sort of videos on how to use MT5. It's very simple as well. I'm trying to get into day trading. Any tips? Take it slow, man. Take it slow. Don't get caught in like signals and stuff. Just take it slow, learn a strategy, and go from there. There's no need to sort of like copy other people. Find somebody who's going to teach you a strategy, okay? TGR is good for a beginner. I mean, it's analysis paralysis. If you want to learn thousands of different concepts and have no idea what you're looking for, then yeah. Signals can be good if you're mid-learning. I disagree. Signals can be good for mid-learning, but there's no profitable signal groups. And if you're profitable with signals, drop me a message and tell me, because I want 12 to 16 months of data that you're profitable with signals. Like, people go, oh, I'm profitable with signals, but then I go, okay, 12 months of 12 months of data showing me that you're profitable with signals, and nobody can show me. Like, zero. Yeah, exactly, Tucker, bro. Exactly. Oh, yeah, they do. Why is that? Because they're not profitable. They're just influencers who tell you to join the signal group. They're not real traders. Okay, so yeah, currently, guys, for those wondering, gold's just in between this resistance and this support. So I'm basically just waiting for some sort of breakout. Yeah. I'm waiting for a breakout of this range. What broker am I using? Send me a DM and I'll send you the name of the broker that I use. Send me a DM on here. I'll send you the name. You in a trade? No. I'm currently trading 3 Lucid accounts here. So if I take any trades, it'll be on these 3. It's only because I've got these 3 connected currently. I have been trading Tradeify, but I can't be bothered disconnecting my Lucid, reconnecting them on the Trade Syncer, and then reconnecting them. So I just trade the Lucid accounts today. I mean, I haven't even taken a trade yet, so it's all good. Yeah, exactly. Signals are late. Let's have a look at NAS. How can you grow a small account? Growing a small account, you know, you have to trade it the same as you would trade any account. I mean, you can risk more. You can risk more, but I personally don't. I would never tell anyone to risk more because it's a small account. You just got to risk the same, and over time, and as you stay more consistent, the money will come. The worst thing that you can do is just over risk on a small account, because most people do. They have a small account and they over risk to make more money. It never works. Just try and keep risk management tight and consistent, and over time the money will just come. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Compound it. Because the thing is, if you're not consistent on $100, do you think you're going to be consistent on 100,000? You're probably just going to lose all that. So it doesn't matter what account size you have. You just got to stay consistent. Sarah, I don't use Vantage. I used to, but not anymore. Quite a while ago, like 4 or 5 years ago, I think, maybe. Nah, I've not used them in ages. Yeah, but let's see if we can actually get some volume in the US. Copper, I don't trade copper, bro. No. I don't trade it. Maybe see how this 15 closes here on Nas. If anything, it's just going to be a gold breakout or like a gold rejection. Yeah, guys, welcome to the chat. Drop a thumbs up. Drop a thumbs up. Drop a follow if you're new. If you're on YouTube, drop a thumbs up as well. Good to see you all. Anybody on YouTube, anybody on TikTok who wants to watch the YouTube, head over to Joe Trades on YouTube. I'm live there too. If you want to watch the full screen. What app do I use? This is TradingView, bro. Yeah, this is TradingView. Maybe. Let's see how the 30 closes in 6 minutes. Maybe we can have a little spike up. I mean, gold's just currently ranging on the hourly. So it's all about staying patient. Could we analyze copper? Yeah, we can do in a minute, bro. What is copper again? Is it Y something? Or is that's silver in it on Yeah, there we go. Bank. Yeah, silver's XAU, yeah. XAG, sorry. Okay, copper. Let's have a look at the daily here. Daily copper's taken liquidity to the downside. 4 hourly again, swept liquidity. The only thing I can really say on copper right now is that we're currently within this range here. Okay. We're currently in this sort of 15-minute range, 15-30-minute range here. So I would personally be waiting for some sort of breakout here. Okay, if I were trading copper, I'd be waiting for some sort of breakout of this range. I think if we can break above this level, we're likely to push higher. Breaks below this sort of support level, we're probably going to push into these lows again. Okay. XAG, yes, I know. XAG is silver, XAU is gold. Yeah, I do understand that, bro. So yeah, basically all I'd be waiting for here is either a break above for buys, break below for sells if I were trading copper. Okay. Other than that, it's quite messy on the 30 and 15, just like gold. Okay, just like gold. So let's see. You know, gold and copper, they're following each other. Let's see if we can get a breakout or some sort of rejection, okay? I think we'll continue higher. I'll wait. Yeah, me too. I'm going to wait for this 30 closure. Maybe take some buys. Do I ever trade the range? Yes. Like, I could potentially be trading the range in 4 minutes if it sets up. Any tips? Ooh. Can't be giving them gems away. Join the mentorship, bro. Does orb work? Nah. I mean, you can. It doesn't work because I don't like to trade a certain time. I like to trade when I'm available to trade. That's the freedom with trading. I don't like Apex. I've just broke it down. Rewind 5 minutes. I think trading for me is more about freedom and being able to trade when I can. Not, oh, you have to trade at 7 till 8 because opening range breakout. No, what if I can't trade 3 times at that time? I would rather just trade a set time when I'm available, like 2 to 3 hours a day. Is this your own? Yes, it is, mate. I've been trading full time for like 2 to 3 years. Yeah, I don't work a full-time job. I don't work a 9 to 5, should I say. YouTube Shorts have been amazing. You're a real one. CNM, appreciate it. Okay, let's see how this 30 closes. I might take a little buy here. A risky buy, should I say. The reason I'm saying risky buy is because the owl is closed bearish and we are in this range. So we'll see. We'll see. I want to see the 30 potentially push down a little bit, then I can buy this. But let's see. We've got a minute and a half to wait here. Yeah, guys, if you want to join the mentorship and you're on the TikTok, you can go and apply for the mentorship. The link is in the TikTok bio. The application form is in the TikTok bio, so go and apply there, okay? Like I said, there's no link in the chat. Go head over to my page and in the TikTok bio it's there. Okay, let's see how this 30 closes. I mean, 30 seconds, a little bit more bullish would be better, but we'll see. Bailey, if you want to waste your time with that, that's fine. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. Do what you want. Bailey, what would I recommend? Just keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. No need to overcomplicate it. See, look at that. Look at that closure. Is this closure confirming upside here? Or is this 50-50 now? Oh, if we buy or sell after this closure, is it 50-50? Bullish or bearish? Look at the wicks and look at the bodies. Yeah, it's doji, exactly. It's doji. The body and the wicks at either side are the same size. This could do anything. This could literally do anything. Yeah, I'd like to wait here. It's not enough confirmation. Unless we come down and spike this again and then I can buy. Do-do-do. I would scalp up Nah, there's nothing to scalp here. Yo, Matt, good to see you, man. Give me basic knowledge. There's loads of... Go and have a look at my videos on my TikTok, man. There's loads of stuff there for, like, basic of how we trade. Do I think gold will push down? If gold breaks below this level, yeah, I think we're going to have a decent pullback. If gold can break below here, I'm going to be looking for some sells down. No trade here? No, not just yet. Not just yet, bro. Take an NQ short, have you? Not a bad short, to be fair. I don't mind that. I don't mind that. The only thing that I do not like, the only thing I don't like about this trade is the fact that you're coming into a level here. You're buying into a level. You know, if you look at the 5 minute now, the 5 minute is just a level. So you've bought at a level, sold at a level. That's the only thing I don't like about it. I'd prefer more structure to form and then half for a sell. Yeah, this isn't a trade I'd take personally, but I don't mind the idea, should I say. Yeah, I could see this having a little pullback after this bearish 15 closure. Yeah, I could see it pulling back a little bit, but it's not a trade I'm personally going to take, Anton. I think there's better. I think there's cleaner. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, you in? No, that was just somebody who was in the chat who was wanting me to break it down. If I take a trade, you'll see the trade, guys. You'll see the execution. I prefer gold sells if this 15 can close bearish. Because we have got some lows down here to trade into. Let's see how the 15 closes. 15 closes bearish, then yeah, I'll try some sells. Are we gonna get that pushed out on this? Are we gonna get a push down here as well? Let's see. Yeah, that I'd have to manage it quite quickly here. I'd have to manage it quite quickly. 10 ticks for half for sells. I'd have to manage it now. Especially coming into that level, but we'll see. This could be a nice push. This is NQ. This is gold. Yeah, let's just see how this 15 closes. 15 closes bearish. Even if the 15 comes down and takes some lows, even if the 15 comes down and takes some lows, buys would be better then. But we'll see. It's all about these candle closes, okay? Yeah, this is going to push down. I have a feeling this is going to carry on pushing. Yeah, clean trade there. TP for me would probably be these lows here. 25.064. Clean. Quite the drop, yeah. All depends how this 15 closes, where we're going to move. Who's ramen? Yeah, let's see how we close here. Yeah, so actually Nasdaq half risk is playing out nicely. I mean, if you did take it, nice work. It is valid. The only reason I didn't like it is because of the structure literally at the entry. But that's the thing with half risk as well, is that you need to be open to take a quick stop loss as well, because it could have easily reacted and pushed away. But I mean, is it a valid trade? Yes. Okay. Is it a valid trade? It is. So yeah, can't complain. So yeah, let's see how this 15 closes here in 8 minutes. Maybe I can get an entry on gold. Has anyone taken anything yet today? Guys, who traded Asia? Anybody trade Asia? Yeah, guys, you Asia traders are loving it, loving life right now. Yeah. Go on, Ian, lad. Yeah, nice work. Yeah, this I'd have to I'd be break even on this if I took it. For sure. If anything, if this can close back above the range, then buys look good. But we'll see. Yeah, you're at break even, nice. Yeah, I might try a little sell in 5 minutes. I might try a little sell in 5 minutes. Just hang fire. Guys, this is forming a triple top. I see like 2 highs. I don't see a triple, bro. Maybe you're on a different time frame, but I only see 2. Yeah, guys, drop a follow, drop a subscribe if you're following on YouTube. Good to see you. We're almost at 3K subscribers on YouTube. It's insane. Yeah, if you follow it, if you're on the YouTube here, drop a thumbs up as well. Yeah, I appreciate it. It does help. We're only, guys, we've got 6 likes on YouTube and 65 people watching. Let's crush 40. Come on. Nearly 20K on here. Yeah, almost 20K on TikTok is insane. Yeah, we had like 2K last year. Or yeah, we had 2K last year. Now it's like almost 20K. What's my YouTube? Joe Trades, mate. Same as it is on TikTok. Yeah, I'm gonna take some sells on. I'm gonna take some sells on gold if we can close bearish here. I don't want to get faked out, so I need to wait for the new candle to. I'm gonna wait for that new candle to open and take some sells. Where's my target? Targets will be down here, like 80 ticks. But I need the candle to close first. It needs like 4 minutes. It needs 4 minutes, guys. It needs to confirm direction. Like, because before it pushes higher, I'd expect it to sweep some sort of liquidity. So I think it needs to come take these lows here. If not these lows, then these lows to the left, which would be final targets for me. Then potential longs. If it doesn't close below this level, then there's just no trade. Simple as that. I'd have to just wait for like a 15 or a 30 closure. The market's been cooked today. Just step away, bro. That's all I do. If the markets are ranging or a little bit choppy, I just step away for a couple of hours, then come back. Like, don't be like emotional to it. Like, don't get annoyed because they're not doing what you want them to do. Step away, come back 2 hours later. If it's the same, come back tomorrow. Simple as that, really. Like, yeah. Just watched it? Yeah, nice. Me too, man. It's all good, though. I mean, if you're not trading choppy price action, it means you've got some strategy, which is 95% better than most traders, okay? If you're randomly trading in consolidation, you haven't got a strategy and you're not going to be profitable. Simple as that. I mean, if you're just randomly, if you say you're trading consolidation, you're trading manipulation, and you're trading the big pushes up and the big pushes down, there's no strategy there. You're trading every market condition. What's my broker? Martin, drop me a message. I'll send you the link. I'll send you the name, sorry, not the link. I'll send you the name of the prop firm I use. NQ pushing. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful, bro. Nice trade, man. That's a clean half risk. I mean, it played out nicely. Could have easily chopped you about, but that half risk has played out perfectly. Nice execution there. I mean, I'd be having final TP here. Come into this level, close bearish. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with that. Very nice. Yo, other people have trouble on TradingView placing orders. I can't set my ask and bid. No, bro, I use stop orders. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Yeah, I only use stop orders, and, you know, tune into these lives and you'll understand how to use stop orders. Okay, if this can top wick, I'm going to get a little sell stop in here. Yeah, I'm going to get a sell in on gold here. And all I'm going to be looking for gold to do is come down, take some of these lows out, and then I can manage it. If it can top wick. I'm not putting it in yet. I mean, it's only 30 seconds in. And then stops will be like wherever the high is created. I mean, well, yeah. All right, yeah. Whatever, gold. Cheers, bro. Yeah, not much you can do there, guys. Instantly pushed. Yeah, no trade. I mean, look, you know, if you did enter it too early, look at it, you'd be in drawdown now. That's why we wait a minute. So I'd only be putting in the order in now, but I'm not putting an order in with 28 tick stop and targets have been taken. So, yeah. Caught a layer on that little drop, nice. Yeah, there's no trade for me. No trade. See how this 30 closes. Yeah, not much you can do there, really. Can I sell gold now? No. I mean, you can do what you want, bro, but I'm personally not. Just going to wait for this 15 to close, see what price does, because that'll be a 30 closure as well. Let's see what Nas is doing. Yeah, look at Nas. Too many wicks, yeah, bro. Doesn't look like it has taken targets yet. Yeah, but it's very close to them. It's very close to targets. And if I sell now, is it worth how many ticks? 5 ticks? No. It's not worth it. So best thing to do is wait for this 15. If it closes bearish, then I'll have a look then. Best thing to do. Yeah, guys, drop a follow on this account if you've not already. I appreciate it. We're en route to 20k. Hi, are you profitable? Yes, I am, mate. Yes. How come I never trade silver, Carl? It's because I get enough opportunities on gold and Nasdaq, mate. Yeah, I get plenty opportunity on gold and Nasdaq. I don't need to trade silver. I look to take about 8 to 10 trades a week, and I get 8 to 10 trades on gold and silver. Gold and Nasdaq. All right, Matt. I have been following your moves and you are very objective. Yeah. Yeah, I am. Like, nothing influences me, yeah. Like, if somebody's saying Joe buys, and my strategy lines up for sells, I'm taking sells. I don't care about... Yeah. What strategy is this? Breakouts, mate. Breakouts of ranges. Sell, I'm not too sure. Have a look. Just put in a put in a chart that's like conflicting it. Have a look. Still think we're going to them highs? Potentially. Market's so volatile. Yeah, it's been like this for a while, to be honest. It's not changed for a while. Bam, bam. Yes, I will. I'll show the trade when I take it. Yeah. QP, how's it going? Good to see you. Do you have a Telegram? Yes, I do. I have a Telegram and I've got a Discord mentorship. You're ignoring me? No, I'm not. I'm not ignoring you. Just put your message back in and I'll get it to you. I mean, there's across YouTube and TikTok, there's like almost 600 people watching. So I can't get through every message. I'm not Superman. What broker do you use? Lewis, send me a DM on here. I'll send you the name of it. I mean, them sells would be working out, but too close to targets, unfortunately. I'm going to get liquidated. Bro, the market is pushing down. There's clear liquidity to take to the downside. If I was you and I was in buys now, why are you in buys? The market's bullish, but why? What is telling you after this hour here, this current price action, is the market telling you that it wants to push higher? Not at all. It's breaking below levels. It's got liquidity to continue down. You know, that's why I was looking for sells here. And that was literally TP would have been hit. Drop you a message, sweet Lewis. All good, mum. Oh, you misclicked. Get out. Get out this. Get out quickly. Get out. There's no need to be in. That was the trade on micro gold, yeah. Did anybody take the sells that we put in? Yes, nice. I did. Yeah, guys, I didn't take that. Guys, I'm very, very transparent. If I take a trade, you'll know about it. If I don't, again, I'll say I don't. I left this one. See how this 15 closes, go from there. Not to the plan, nah. I need to wait for this 15, maybe take some 15 sells. Yeah, if the 15 can close below, then I'll take some sells. I don't understand how that last 15-minute closure didn't suit your strategy because it was too close to these targets. Because it's likely to push down, take liquidity, and then reverse, and I don't want to get caught in a reversal. What strategy do I use? I use levels and liquidity. I'm a breakout trader. Very, very simple stuff. You're in now? No, I'm waiting for this 15. Yeah, Ashton, I sorted it out. Aaron actually helped me sort it. In the community. Aaron from the community helped me sort it. You think it'll continue down? Yes, I do. There's liquidity down here to take. Yeah, breakouts are just a breaker structure on the lower time frame. People look at breaker structure two different ways. Yeah, people look at breaker structure different ways. I look at breaker structure. I look at breaker structure as breakers levels. Oh, we're out. Guys, we've got 560 people tuning in on the TikTok. I appreciate everyone. Any questions, stick it in. I'll try and get back to you as quickly as possible. What would you recommend for people under 18 looking to get into trading? Don't force anything, bro. Just take it slow. I mean, there's so many sort of stuff that you can start with for free, whether that's like YouTube and TikTok Shorts. You know, head over to my YouTube, tune into my live streams, and you can pick some stuff up for when you're ready to actually start. You know, you're at a good age to actually start. Okay, to start learning some basics, so you're ready when you're 18. Worst thing that you can do is just waste all your money and get banned from prop firms because you're under 18. It's not good. because the good prop firms will ban you. Do I give lessons? Yeah, I've got a mentorship, mate. I've got a mentorship. You can apply for the mentorship in the TikTok bio. The application form, the link. The application form link is in the TikTok bio. Prop firms have too many restrictions? Yeah, I know, but you're getting a lot of capital, bro. I mean, you're getting a lot of capital I can put up with. You know, I almost added like $1 million in funding. I don't care what restrictions you put on me. If you're giving me $1 million in funding, like whatever. Like I haven't got that much now, but you know. How much funding have I got now? Like 550K currently. Yeah. It's across like 7 different accounts. Yeah, Tucker, exactly, bro. Exactly, man. Okay, so if this 15 can close bearish, I'm going to be looking for some sells. Do I still have the live? Yes, I'm taking little payouts now and again on that, Deegs. But the problem is you can't take huge payouts because you're restricted to how much size you can use. So if you have a good day, you might be able to take like 1,000 a month or like 2,000 a month, which is a little bit tough. So I'm like looking at other prop firms now. But yeah, I still have it. And I'm taking like maybe 200, 300 a week on it. But I mean, I think I posted like 15 withdrawals in 2 weeks. And I think people are getting bored of seeing withdrawals every day. So it's pointless. Like, I mean, I could keep posting them, but everyone would just probably get annoyed. Yeah, I mean, you can use your money. You can use your own money. Okay, let's have a look at this closure in a minute. I'm going to look for some sells into these lows. Are you in this trade? Not just yet. Waiting for this closure on the 15. I'll look to trade into wick fill. I'll look to trade into wick fill and then into these lows. Let's see. 30's closing bearish as well. Problem is 30 has come into a level. $30 has come into a level, but let's see. Let's see. If it doesn't top wick, I can't sell. 30 just hit an order block. I don't trade order blocks, bro, but yeah, may have done. It's just a level. It's not an order block. It's just a level of prior resistance. Resistance acting as support. I am aware of that. Yeah, exactly. You can literally buy a prop firm account for 50 quid, £50, and take up to 5k on it. It's crazy. Did I enter? No, I'm waiting for it to bottom wick a little bit and form, and then I'll put the order in. Because, you know, look at the candle, it instantly pushed up, coming into a level. If I'm going to take this at low risk, which it will be a low risk trade, I want it to sort of form a little bit, and then I can put the order in. But this candle just instantly pushed up. And I need to wait. Enter? Nah, not just yet, man. Do I only use the 15? I use the 15 and 30. Yeah, 15 and 30. Did I enter? No, not just yet. You'll see when I enter, bro. What's Nasdaq doing? That'd have been break even anyway. You have a lot of patience. It's needed, man. I mean, tell me, give me a profitable trader who hasn't got patience. I don't see any. Okay, let's see if this can top wick now. If this can top wick, then I'll put a sell in. Oof. One sec. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be using 5 micros here, I think. No, I'm going to use 4. Let's use 3. Yeah, I'm putting a sell stop on the rebreak of this low. Going to be looking for this to push lower into some lows. I'm only trying 3 micros. It's like $150 risk. It is risky trade, but we'll see. Just going with that overall direction on the 30 and 15. The problem with this is that we are coming into a level, and that's why I've reduced risk a lot. So if we do reject this level and close bearish, well, then I can start looking for buys. But really, I want to see if price is going to push down here. Yo, Goldie, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Are you in? Yes, I'm in. I'm in these cells. All right, there we go. Wow, look at that liquidation there. All right, there we go. I'm rolling stops to the reflip bullish. So stops are now being rolled to the reflip bullish here. And I'm letting the rest run. Okay. So stops have been trailed. Did I enter? Yes, I did. I entered. Like, look at this volume step in now. Right. Wow. Wow. Look at that volume. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm out there, guys. Look at that. 99 ticks back up. Class. Volatility? Yeah, it's just the market. It's just volatility of the market. I mean, wasn't a bad trade, actually. It pushed down, but look at that. Instantly back up. Let me have a look at something really quickly. Yeah, look at that. No news either. That's just pure volume. I mean, targets were hit, to be fair. Targets were hit, to be fair, but mate, look at gold spot here on the 15. Gold spot's fine, but look at the micros. They're completely different. Damn, man. How's that me? How's that my fault? Come on, bro. Blaming me for your account. Come on. Chill out, bro. Yeah, look at that. That was, what's my win rate? About 70%. Wow, look at this volume stepping on gold now. Crazy. This is some unplanned news for sure. Let's have a look. Something definitely would have come out. Got to wait a couple of minutes. I mean, how many ticks did we take from them cells? It was like 40 ticks. Like 40 ticks. But I got taken out for a loss. I took like a $30 loss or something. But it's minor. It's minor. Like $30. My risk was like 150. Yes, Goldie, good to see you, man. Well managed, yeah, I needed to manage it, to be fair. Can you answer my question? Yes. Go for it, man. Put it back in. Took it. Bro, it hit first target. I mean, how many ticks did it hit? Let's have a look. It hit about 40 ticks. So first targets were hit. That's why I managed it. Is the white line my money predict? Yeah, my white lines are my ranges where I'm not trading. Yeah, exactly. It was a quick management, but we got it. We got it. I mean, we hit 40 ticks profit in seconds. $46 ticks profit in seconds. What's the next move? I don't know. We need to wait for this 15 to close. Got mauled by your call, bro. You got mauled way before I started trading. That's not me. Like, you can see what entries I take, and if you stick around for long enough, you'll clearly see that my win rate's about 70%. Like, we took 7 wins in a row. We took 7 wins in a row. Like, when we were taking wins every day, people are cool, but if they don't want to take the losses, well, I can't do anything about that. Should have took profits at 40 ticks, shouldn't you? I'm only joking. Do I have a private group? Yes, I do. I've got a Discord mentorship. You can apply in the TikTok bio. The link to apply is in the TikTok bio. Ah, that's why. Yeah, we had some unplanned news. Yeah, guys, we had some red impact news regarding Danish pension fund to exit UK. One sec. Oh, yeah, to withdraw from the US Treasury. Okay, that makes sense. You always in loss. Yeah, of course, bro. We are. Yeah, of course. Whatever. On which channel? Forex Factory, bro. You don't need much time to trade. You need 1 to 2 hours a day. Yeah. Guys, you need to catch 1 or 2 good trades a week. To catch 1 or 2 good trades a week, you need 1 to 2 hours a day. Don't think you need to be sat at the chart all day, every day. You don't. It's a load of rubbish. I literally trade for like 2 to 3 hours a day and done. Yeah, we entered on unplanned news, which is unfortunate, but we'll see. Do I send signals? No. You can see the trades that I take, but I'm not signal service. Do I trade London? Yes, I trade London, but in the mentorship. I mean, we haven't really traded it much over the last 2 days because of the bank holiday and the range, but we're normally very active and trading either live or in the chats in the mentorship. It's your fault, bro, says poor risk managers. Yeah, exactly, Lynn. What happened to currencies? We just had some unplanned news regarding the US, so it ruined the market short term for like 2 minutes. We shouldn't be trading this week. Why should we all not be trading, bro? Tell me. Yeah, I'm going to be taking buys if we can close bullish above 26s, 27s. Yeah, TJR said you shouldn't be trading, so you shouldn't be trading. It is TJR will put out a TikTok, like a video saying, guys, you shouldn't be trading. And then everybody who watches that video tells everybody else that they shouldn't be trading. And then you have like hundreds of thousands of people saying you shouldn't be trading because one person said on one video you shouldn't be trading. But they've got no data. They've got no back tested and forward tested data to back it up. Like, I've got data saying that I'm fine to trade today. Like, if you can come trade my strategy and tell me that I shouldn't be trading based off real data, then yeah, fair enough. Yeah, and then they get the trade breakdown from him. Did everyone hit TP on that one? I think most people hit TP on that trade anyway. We left a perfect double bottom down here. Crazy. I don't want to just chase candles. You know, you can really get caught up trying to chase 15-minute closes. Like, you sometimes need to take a step back and have a look where the liquidity is sitting and where price has to push, or where it's most likely to push. Yeah. Yeah, 15's pushing. I might try a little 15-minute buy on this next 15 closure. Let me get back onto MCG. This is how you can really change your this is how you change it and switch it up if you feel like price is gonna come and take highs. There's no sort of like bias, there's no sort of attachment. It's just trading what you see. This 15 could be the next leg up. I'm only putting this on so I can get ready to put the buy stop in. If I can get that bottom wick. What does MCG mean? Micro gold contract, MGC. It'd be a buy stop. Yeah, on the re-break. Yeah, I'll be putting a buy stop in a second. Let's give it 30 seconds. It's only 30 seconds into this candle. I can't really put it on until a minute anyway, so let's see. Would you say it was a pullback? Dun, 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 dun. Where would I manage this if it tagged me in? Let's have a look. So we've got how many ticks into that level? Let's have a look. 23 ticks into that level. It's not a bad trade, to be fair. Oh, it tagged me in on market. Wow, it tagged me in on market. That's unlucky. Yeah, I just got tagged in at market order by accident. It's all good. Do I journal my trades? Yeah, of course, man. Of course. Yeah, but if you guys, if you're looking to trade this, have a buy stop. I accidentally entered at market. It's all good. I mean, yeah, it's all good. If it takes me out, I'll put a buy stop in, which I should have done. So yeah, don't be looking to buy this yet. This was my mistake. TGR traded yesterday and this morning. Really? Wow. Yeah, I kind of bought at market by accident instead of putting a buy stop on. This wouldn't have activated me in if I used a buy stop correctly. So you shouldn't even be in this trade yet. So let's see. But I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I think it's only like negative 100, so it's right. Is it wrong that I don't know who TJR is? Yeah, he's quite a big player. It's quite, yeah, he is. He's a big sort of like trader. Everyone sort of knows who he is. Yes, he's probably going to come spike me out, but we'll see. I'll just re-put my buy stop in if it takes me out. Might be one of the biggest. Yes, he is. Yeah, he probably is. Yeah, I'm gonna re-put a buy stop in. One sec. Just because it should have been above here. And then if this takes me out, I'm definitely done. Buy stop. How many? Yeah, 180. That's fine. Right. Yeah. Right. The actual correct buy stop's in now. Big fraud, is it? Yeah, that was a bit of a mistake. Don't market execute. That was unlucky. Whatever. Okay, let's see if we can actually get this flip and push into these all-time highs or not. I mean... Yeah, if this stops me out, this will be me done. I've taken 2 trades then. Okay, I'm actually in this trade now, and I'm going to be managing it when it comes into them highs. Let's see if this wants to push. If this takes me out now, I'll be definitely done for the day. I've tried this market a few times, and I've had enough if it hasn't. If it doesn't work out, I've had enough. 2 trades, it'll be like 2 L's as well, so I'll be done. Hello, yo, Leanne, how's it going? All right, back in a minute. Oh, spiked into that level. Yeah, let's trail a little bit. Yeah, I mean, if you was on the if I didn't have to walk away, I would have trailed this. Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 off here. I've just taken 2 off, and I'm trailing to the lower of that candle. If it reflips bearish, I don't want to be in this trade, okay? So I've just trailed it to the reflip bearish, so it's basically break even. But yeah, I mean, if I was actually managing this, I'd be break even at this level, which we ran into. So let's see if we want to keep pushing or not. But yeah, we're basically break even on this trade because I've taken some partials off and I've just rolled it to here. So let's see. If this wants to push, I mean, we're going to take a decent profit on this. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But yeah, that's the trade. We've taken partials. Stops have been rolled. Once we do push into this high again, then I'm going to go break even. Then that'll be me to let this run. But yeah, we're break even on this now. What's the lot size? 3, mate. 3. What's TP? TPs are up here at this red line. Stop loss is trail to break even, which is this red line. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Nice push. Right, I'm going full break even now. Full break even. And that's me done, guys. Perfect. Look at that. Nice push now. There we go. That's what's up. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna let this run into these all-time highs. So final TP will be these highs. Nice one. If it hits B, it hits B. I've managed it where I needed to. Took 350. Nice. Beautiful, man. Okay. Oh, what's it doing here? Right. We're out. Yeah, TP were nice. I mean, how many ticks did it hit? 35 ticks. Very short-lived moves today. Very, very short-lived moves today. Yeah, I left 5 in when I took partials, so yeah. How much are we up? Yeah, we're about break even on the day now. About break even on the day, which isn't too bad. I'm probably gonna leave it there. I've taken 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. So yeah. Yeah, I'm happy to leave it. I mean, it's been a bit of a choppy day. Look at it. It's been a bit of a chop up here. But I mean, we've taken some decent wins there. Who doesn't make money watching this TikTok? Legend, bro. I mean, guys, if you do tune in and see, if you do tune in every day, you will clearly see that I'm trading with a 70% win rate. I'll take losses, I'll take wins, but it is like 65 to 70% on average. Out already? Yes, I did. I took a win on that. I took a win. Nothing huge, but it was a win. $350, nice. Who guys, put a thumbs up if you took that. Put a thumbs up if you took it. I'm trading 3 linked accounts. Yeah, I'm trading 3 linked accounts. So on that trade, it might have been around 200, but I lost a small trade before it. But yeah, 2 trades on stream. I'm going to leave it there, guys. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. We've been on for like an hour and 20. Joe pays for the gas in my wife's car. Nice. I mean, if I was still in this trade, I'd definitely be trailing. I mean, where was it? It's at break even now. Just a little scalp higher, 33 ticks. Nothing crazy, but decent trade. All right, guys, peace out. Much love. See you tomorrow. And yeah, bye-bye. Guys, if you want to join the mentorship, the link to join is in the TikTok bio. Okay, there's a couple of calls that you need to book a call. So go and apply in the TikTok bio. The application link is there. If you want me to teach you one-on-one, go and apply and we'll be in touch, okay? Peace out. Much love. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone.